What is up, my friends? I am Mumfy. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, thank you so much for joining. Today is going to be a fun video. As you can tell, it is raining out here. But unlike a fellow YouTuber who seems to think that his Voodoo Blue SR5 is just the tops, I am not going to go run inside my Tacoma and do this video. We're doing it outside. If you follow me on Instagram over at Mumfy_taco, as you can see up here, you notice that I did get a couple of packages. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. So let's get into it. Alright, so what I got for you is just right off camera. So let's just go ahead and I'll bring in the box. There we go. Now, as you can tell, this is from Rome Adventures. It is the 83-liter rugged case. They do offer these in a couple of different colors, which are pretty cool. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this, and I'll show you guys what color we got. Well, it's nice to have an overhead light. Now that we got that squared away, let's open the box. Let's see what we got here. Cardboard comes wrapped in some plastic. But as we pull it out of the box, you can see that awesome slate color there. Let's get this box out of the way. Alright, now as you can tell, this is the smaller of the two cases that they have on their website that actually will fit on top of the roof rack. The other one is a 95-liter case. I decided to go with the shorter one just to keep the profile down on the Tacoma. But as you can see, we got some nice metal hinges on one side. And as I flip this around and kind of show you, got a couple of good grab handles. You have the Rome Adventure logo right here, and then you've got some nice metal clamps holding it secure. We'll open this up. And without too much effort, you can see that it's got dampeners on the inside, which is really, really cool. Now the other cool thing is that the lids have a gasket that run across the top, thus making this essentially a waterproof case. And the other cool thing, as I close this down, very little effort to do so. On the one side, it actually has a drain plug. And you got a little bottle opener on there too. Now, what is better than one case? Two cases. I did get two of these. I'm so glad that Rome was able to send these out to me. So I did purchase these, just so there's full transparency there. I did purchase these through Rome, but I am happy that they were sent out, and they were sent out fairly quickly. Although I was told that they did have a limited supply. But the cool thing is they come in different colors. As I said, you can get them in a tan. You can get them in a kind of an OD green. You can get them in black, and then of course a slate color, which is what I went with. I just kind of like it because it goes with the theme of the cement truck. So, what do you guys think? Alright, and just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like on top of the truck, here it is on top of the Prinsu rack. With these, there aren't mounting points on the case themselves. It would be nice, but I mean, you don't get that with Pelican cases or anything else. I will be doing an install video on the Rome on top of the Prinsu rack, so stay tuned for that. I think it looks pretty good up there. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video on the unboxing of the 83 liter rugged case from Rome Adventure Co. I know there's a lot of options out there. I decided to go with Rome. I liked what they had to offer. I do like that it's weather sealed. It's got the drain plug on there. I like the latches, and I also like having those dampeners to kind of help ease the lid up. I think it's gonna look really good on top of the Tacoma. Let me know what you guys think. What color would you guys go with? I know that Rome is kind of a top tier, high-end purchase. It may not be feasible for everybody, but I think they are an excellent option. If you're interested in purchasing a set for yourself, there will be a link in the description box below. I also have my kit list down there for any of the mods that you see on the Tacoma. Where I got them, they are on my kit list. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.